before the last round. Chin down. In your stance. Keep your feet
Hands
on the
up.
ground.
Hands up.
15 seconds. Work. Double jabs. Pop, pop. Good.
Step into it, Aiden.
Time.
Okay.
Go in your corners. Alright. I don't have any water, but you guys are tough. I think you can handle 3 rounds without water. You'll be okay, right? Okay.
How you feeling? Fun?
Okay. You gotta keep your back foot on the ground.
It looks so
Okay?
mad.
Work on it. Start flying up like this. And you just flies out. You call that chicken wing. Boom. And remember, the next round I might say you can throw 1-2s, and then that hand's down. You gotta practice the good habits, alright? You
Remember
gotta
that.
work on keeping that chin down. Okay? Did you have like this?
Don't forget about your slip, Ethan. Don't forget about your slip too.
Hold your head still. Hold your head still. That's a little better. Okay, good. Keep that chin down. Alright, box. Don't touch gloves. Just box right away. Go. Who's first? Who's first? There you go. You don't want it. Just jab. Just jab. Just jab.
Just jabs.
I said what if? I didn't say you were. Sorry. Good.
Good slip, Ethan.
Chin
Don't forget the
down.
body. Don't forget the body.
Now these guys are chilling. One or the other.
Fire back, Aiden. Step into it. Fire back.
That's the jab. Double jab in the forehead. There you go. There you go. Straight out.
Ooh. Jeez.
Right on that mouthpiece. Jump while you walk. Jump while you walk. Time.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Box. Keep your feet on the ground. Do another jab.
It's a good step. Try a double jab.
Good. Drag the back foot. Drag the back foot.
Hands up. Hands up.
Stay in your stance. Stay in your stance. Shuffle out, jab. Shuffle out. Straight jab. Time. Don't punch it down. You're not street fighting. You're boxing. 30 seconds. Box. Finish hard. Right? Close your mouth. Close your mouth. You gotta bite that mouthpiece down. Time. Your mouth is wide open. You gotta keep it shut. Alright? You're gonna bite your tongue off. You want your tongue, right? Alright. Breathe through your nose. Box. Alright, you're getting tired. Let's go.